Hi, Yuki. Super, super happy to have
Hi.
you here. Our top one from IDLE 2024. Grabe.
Yay! Thanks for
Can you
having me,
introduce?
Atmika.
Yeah. And thank you for being here. Super willing to share yung mga high performer strategies mo. So, can
Yeah.
you introduce yourself more? What are you working on now? What do you want them to know about you?
Hi, I'm Yuki. I'm the top one of interior design licensure examination last year, and I'm currently working in Sunny as a full-time employee. Yeah.
Hmm. I'm sure curious yung mga people. How has life changed since ranking top one?
Not sure naman if so much has changed. I guess yung confidence lang talaga na like, lagi akong pinapakilala ng boss namin na kapag may bagong project na parang, uy, top
Oh,
one yan siya. So parang, ayun, parang confidence boost na agad siya whenever mag-start yung project. Kasi I know na parang na-validate ako as a designer.
hmm.
Ayun.
Parang nakakakilig rin yung feeling na yun, ah, no?
Yeah, oo, talaga. Worth it naman.
Welcome to Mindset Magic with Mika, where we unlock clarity, courage, confidence, creativity, and connection so you can show up as your most expressed, most aligned, most unstoppable self. If you are ready to shift into your main character energy and design a life that feels as good as it looks, you're in the right place. I'm Mika Doria, your interior designer, your Mindset Magic Muse, branding goddess. Let's dive in. Would you say na ano, like being top one also informs the way you started leveling up yung work mo, gano'n?
Yeah, actually, parang ever since nag-top one ako, um, merong na-boost yung confidence ko, but at the same time, I felt na I had to like level up na parang kailangan kong pantayan yung pagiging top one ko with my actual
Hmm,
performance as a designer in the field, as a
mm.
professional. So, ayun, parang same lang na I try to learn from my peers, na parang I try to level up every time merong project na i-apply ko yung what I've learned from the past projects to the next ones para there's really no way to go, nowhere to go but up. Parang ganun.
Mm. Grabe, ano kayang feelings sa ano, sa environment na puro top notcher yung
Yeah.
peers? Wow. Mhm.
Ayun.
So before that, of course, before the board pa, what inspired you to pursue interior design? Like parang moment ba sa'yo na na-realize mo, "Oh, okay, ID, this is for me."
Oh,
Hmm?
actually, hindi ako super aware with interior design before. Parang yung alam ko lang talaga is architecture. And I initially
Hmm.
wanted to be an architect. Sadyang, ayun, kota course siya.
Ang classic ng story na.
Parang just like all our other classmates, di ba? Parang yun yung second choice ko. So, doon ako nakapasa. But I ended up loving it nung freshie pa lang. Parang I knew I wanted to stay. Kaya, ayun, parang I ended up loving the course and finishing it hanggang sa makagraduate.
Hmm.
Ano.
Meron bang specific ano, like moment would you say if you were to look back yung college years mo, na dun mo na-realize na, "Oh, I can see myself doing this in the future." Gano'n.
I think it's every after design presentation na you get feedback from profs na like parang you just know na you did well and you're kind of like practicing what is gonna be like in the professional field na oh I enjoy doing this and kapag na-present mo na siya parang sila din yung client na you know
Mm.
na parang you did your part as a designer. So, ayun, yun, dun ko na-realize na it's fun and parang mas creative siya and laid back compared to um, what I thought I wanted before na
Hmm.
course. Ayun.
Mhm. Tsaka 'di ba parang ano, ever since very artistic ka rin talaga, Yuki, tama ba?
Yeah,
Mahilig ka
Veg.
sa
Mahilig ako
arts?
mag-drawing. Mm-mm.
Mm.
Kaya, ayun,
Wow.
parang hindi siya, parang hindi siya mm, fully studying lang. Parang I was doing things I actually enjoyed din. Like doing art na. Mm-mm.
Wow. Grabe. Parang yung ano ko, kahit may list ako ng questions, gusto ko na lang na,
Ikaw
ano
ba,
ko
Ate
yung
Nika?
style.
Was it like for
Hmm?
you? Ikaw naman tanungin ko. Like, ibalik ko lang yung question.
Wow. Pursuing ID?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you for throwing back that question to me. Grabe. So, actually, ang nostalgic for me ng question na 'to kasi I just realized na I really started enjoying ID parang midway, parang gano'n
Mm-mm.
or almost
Oh.
midway. Mhm. Kasi I still remember vividly na nung magko-confirm na ako ng slot ko sa ID, I was still hesitating. Like nasa imagine na, nasa Office of Admissions na ako, kami ng parents ko, ng sisters ko, ta's ako I'm
Oo.
like, "Parang ayoko, parang di ako sure, uwi na lang tayo." Like pipirma na
Oh,
lang ako ng
yeah.
slot ko.
Naalala ko yung kwento mo na parang meron kang other options sa ibang university, tapos pinag-iisipan mo talaga
Oo.
siya. Yeah, I remember that. But look at you now.
Tapos kaya nga, eh. And here, like, even doing this heart project for ID
Yeah.
office, that's crazy. Pero same na ano, classic story na sa lahat ng schools na I took an exam on, puro architecture yung napasa ko. Tapos pagdating
Mm-mm.
sa ID? Yeah. Pero I think our profs rin kasi in UP, kahit freshie pa lang, they really love ID so much na it really rubs
Yeah.
on you rin. Alam mo yun?
Sobra. ID 11 pa lang. Parang,
'Di ba?
okay, I'm gonna be
Parang
an interior designer.
mm. Kahit nung biglang sinabi may board exam, ayun, parang that was the moment for me na I realized, wow, like ID is more than aesthetics. There's also so much heart and
Yeah.
service poured into it. So, wow, ayun, I love it. I started loving it. Grabe
That's
'no?
great.
Oh my gosh, our profs. Wala, we are grateful for them. They have great
Yes.
foundations. Wow. So the question is, thanks for asking that, Yuki.
Yeah.
Kilig moment. So, since of course, whenever na may board exam, yung unang iniisip ng tao is, I wanna pass, di ba? Like, I wanna make it and get
Mm.
that license. But for you, it felt different. Did you always aim back for top one or was it a surprise?
Oh, okay. Interesting question.
Mm.
Actually, the year before, nung nag-top si Jenna,
Mm.
parang I had this feeling na gusto ko rin mag-top. Na parang I even tweeted about it na, uy, parang UP na naman yung nag-top, what if ako na next? So, in a way,
Grabe,
parang
kinikilabutan ako.
parang in a way, I was already manifesting it. Kaya that's the reason then actually why I applied sa Sunny. Kasi gusto kong, gusto kong makuha yung same training that they had para mag-pass din and mag-top the board. So, ayun, parang
Galing.
pare-parehas kami ng goal doon. And, ayun, parang na-inculcate na lang rin talaga sa akin. And I believe down to the cellular level na
Hmm?
magta-top ako. Magta-top kami. Ayun.
Grabe, hindi lang si Yuki, like almost all of them, again and again and
Yeah.
again. So parang for you, sobrang it became a non-negotiable na you won't just
Yeah.
pass, I'll top, gano'n.
Yeah. Pero I still gave room for myself na it's okay if hindi ako mag-top. Like, okay lang na mag-pass, pero, parang iba pa rin talaga yung, I knew na iba yung feeling kapag magta-top ako. That's why I really manifested for it. Pero still open pa naman ako for, like, in case hindi yun mangyari.
Pero binigay sa'yo, it's ano, parang years in the making, 'no? Grabe,
Yeah, that's true.
galing,
Nakakakilig.
God's grace. Grabe ang galing. Tapos with that, siyempre may top one energy when reviewing. Tas meron yung passer energy rin, which are both good of course. Kasi at the end of the day, the exam is just a test of your preparedness naman.
Mm-mm.
And let's dive in sa exam prep and strategies.
Alright.
Actually, may mga nagtatanong na with limited time, as in parang 3 months na lang ba meron sila? And so
Mm-mm.
much to cover, 'di ba? Do you have
Oo.
an advice for them or like maybe share rin how long did you have to review? Paano mo
Mm-mm.
ni-structure yung study schedule mo? Ayun.
Alright. Okay, so first, during the review season kasi, 'di ba, I was employed. So,
Mm.
it wasn't really balancing my review and life. It was balancing review and work because I had to put my life on pause kasi
Oh,
parang
yeah.
I had so little time to review after my 8-hour job. So, parang
Hmm.
that's what I had to maximize then. And honestly, parang during the first months ng year ng 2024,
Mm.
January to March, it was more on conditioning lang na I prepared
Ah.
the materials, parang nagbabasa-basa ako from time to time, pero
Mm.
hindi pa talaga siya super actual review. So, I started after na nung Holy Week. I think April na yon. So,
April!
yeah.
Wow!
So, para sa mga nag-worry na
Yeah.
konti na lang yung time nila, no need guys. Wag kayo mag-worry. Parang just swear from now on na i-maximize nyo na yung time from when you started. Tapos, ayun, as I was saying, parang I had to balance my review and work. And nakakapag-review lang talaga ako after like 5 p.m. and only had 3 hours left for my day and then yung weekend. So what we did back then,
Mm.
during weekdays, we would study the ACADS part of the exam. And then on weekends, we would do design drills and anything related to design. So that's like both days, Saturday, Sunday, kasi we don't really have much
Smart.
time.
Mm.
And I think my study techniques was more on really just trying to cover as much, like cover everything, na parang meron akong alam on all topics. And then,
Hmm.
nung papalapit na yung exam, um, dun ako nag-focus sa topics na I knew nagkukulang pa ako and meron akong gut feeling na lalabas siya sa exam. So, for
Wow.
the rest, more on familiarization na lang talaga siya. And then, para dun sa mga specific na topics na yun yung binukusan ko talaga ng oras. Kasi I had to like work smartly talaga para
Mm.
hindi ako matalo ng doubts na parang, oh no, wala na akong time. Parang, ang onti na lang
Hmm.
ng time kong mag-review. So, I really had to focus on what I thought would come out in the exam and yung mga weak parts ko on ACADS. And then, sa sa design part, ayun, we would do design drills every Saturday or Sunday,
Hmm.
depende sa
Mm.
schedule namin. Tapos, ayun, every after, we would get feedback from each other, parang magte-take turns kami. Kaya ayun, parang madami din akong nakukuha direct feedback from my peers and from
Wow.
my mentor na rin na boss ko. So, ayun. If ever man like sa other takers, sa future takers. Try then to, whenever you do design drills, get
Mm.
feedback from other people. Like, wag mo siyang sarilihin lang kasi kunwari nahihiya ka na hindi pa siya yung best output mo. It's better to receive feedback talaga. Kasi that's how you know kung saan ka pa nagkukulang, kung what are the things that you still need to improve on. Ayun.
Mhm. Sobrang
Yeah.
ganda ng ano, na-mention mo, Yuki, kasi parang lalo 'pag solo review ka, parang
Yeah.
the only person looking at your work is just you. So, medyo may bias na, "Ay siguro okey
Mm-mm.
na 'to," gano'n.
Ayun, yeah. Kaya
Mhm.
better din talaga to get feedback. Kahit sa friends mo lang, sa peers mo lang, it's all useful.
Hmm, that's good. Kasi at least you get feedback to improve kesa none at all.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Imagine, galing, like weekly na ano, na design drills, wow.
Yep. Pero in total, parang 9 design years lang yun. Kasi late na rin kami nag-start doon. Pero,
Dami rin.
ayun yeah, yung, funny thing about it, when we were just starting, parang 2 sheets lang ata yung natatapos kaming lahat. Parang, sobrang, pa nung perspective. Kaya lahat kami kabado na parang, ito
Mm,
na ba yung speed natin, guys? But, ayun, every after design year talaga, nag improve din kami and yung speed
galing.
namin na parang, kunwari yung isa naming kasama, parang nakatapos lang siya ng design drill nung last na, like, dun niya lang natapos lahat ng
It
sheet. So, parang
happens.
sobrang,
Oo.
yeah, sobrang clutch talaga. Yun.
Ang galing. Pero parang the skills na binild nyo in the past 9 weeks, that's also what's gonna help talaga rin, no? Come design
Yeah.
day.
Yep. And the
Mm.
strategizing part talaga. Tsaka yung sa tools din, like what
Oh,
Jam has
yeah.
mentioned, na yung mga pencils and all, dapat calculated mo na yan. Ayun.
Since natatouch on natin yung design part, jump tayo dun. Especially na yan yung pinaka sikat na
Na question
numeric.
talaga. Oo,
Yeah, ng
oh
mga
my God.
takers na parang grabe 40% design portion. Paano
Mm-mm,
ba?
yeah.
Train ba yung concept making and yung mabilis talaga na drafting skills? Paano ba yun? What is your advice, Yuki?
Ayun. Okay, so during the review season talaga, parang inuulit-ulit namin yung fact na 40% yung design part and 60% lang yung ACADS. So parang no matter how much you review sa ACADS part, if like, if hindi mo magagalingan
Oo, totoo
sa
yan.
design, parang there's a great chance na parang you won't make it, ganyan. So dun talaga kami
My
nag-focus.
story-ish.
Like, nung first take mo ba, Timika?
Puro ACADS. Kasi I'm like,
Yeah,
siguro
ayun.
maalala ko na yung drafting experience ko nung college. Not true.
Mm-mm.
Sorry, ganun.
I think yung
Mm.
mostly mahe-help ko, like sa speed is, joke lang. I'm not sure kasi if parang, hindi ko siya super na nabubuo sa isip ko how I was like fast
Mm.
in drafting. Pero I think it's really more on knowing your tools, like um knowing what to use and limiting them. Parang just like how what I
Mm.
mentioned from time to time, na parang you have to know your tools by heart and kung saan sila nakalagay. So,
Ganda.
kunwari, di ba kasi parang um I know this is just a small part, pero it's like it
Game
actually
changer.
yeah, it's a game changer talaga during the design part, na parang kunwari I only used a total of 3 pencils. Parang yung isa,
Mm.
it's a real pencil na wood, and then the two mechanical ones. So meron lang ako isang part na pinaglalagyan sa kanila, ganyan, para kapag ipipick up ko sila, parang madali na lang and color coded then stuff like that. And
Mm.
um during our design drills, parang um yung placement ng stuff ko during like while drafting, yun na rin yung sa boards para praktisado na siya, like
Mm.
muscle memory na lang siya.
Muscle. Mm.
And it's really just parang not overthinking your lines, na parang pagkasulat mo, titingnan mo muna siya. Wag, dapat dire-diretso lang. Kapag may mali, okay lang yun. Pabayaan mo lang. Erase mo kapag may time pa. Stuff like that. Ikaw pa, Tika, how did you do
Mm.
it?
Medyo same tayo ng strategy kasi even before, 'di ba may mga eskis kasi tayo nung
Mm-mm.
undergrad. So syempre minsan nga 3 hours lang yung meron ka eh, tapos ang
Oo.
daming sheets na ipo-produce. I remember di ko rin talaga natatapos kasi parang ako, ba't ang ikli ng time? Parang gano'n. Pero it's not the
Yeah.
time, it's my strategy. So I started doing na nilimit ko rin yung tools ko. I said nga na pagdating sa pens, ang gamit ko lang 0.8, 0.5, 0.3, tas 0.05. Like, yun lang.
Mm-mm.
'Di ba?
Yes.
Tas sa pencil, dalawa lang, F and HB. Minsan nga may 6H pa ako kasi madin ako magsulat. Pero at least yun,
Mm-mm.
light lang yung lines.
Yes.
So even those things, kasi tama yung sinabi ni Yuki na it really eliminates kasi the decision making process on your end. So muscle
Yeah.
memory lang pagdating doon.
Oo.
Mm.
Ako naman, parang during the boards, parang yung practice ko is, syempre magsa-start ka with the concept. And then,
Mm.
parang bubuhin mo lang yung layout either sa isang scratch paper, or pwede mo na siyang simulan sa sheet mo. And then, material
Wow, grabe.
specs. And then, proceed na with the material specs para turo-turo ka na lang. Para, okay, ano magandang finish dito? Pipili ka na lang dun sa mga nailista mo. Ayun, isa din yan sa magandang strategies. And then, actually, it's not 100% about the speed. Kasi, ano din talaga, it's about
Hmm.
focusing more on kung ano yung mataas yung percentage. Like, di ba, the percentages sa design part was yung concept, floor plan, and yung board. So,
Mhm.
dun ka mag-focus para kahit your elevations or your, ano ba yung other sheets, like reflective ceiling plan, if kahit they're not the best, okay lang kasi maliit lang naman yung points nila.
Mm,
So, you
that's so
can,
true.
yeah, you can, um, redirect your energy and time on other stuff that matters
Mm.
more. Yeah, ayun.
Smart yun kasi, oo nga, it's not really just being speedy kasi aanhin naman yung speed kung hindi naman very intentional rin ang strokes.
Yeah,
So, tama si
oo.
Yuki dun. Read the design problem very, very well. Actually, throughout the exam, read the instructions so well.
Mm-mm.
So
Yeah,
well. We can't say
ayun.
anything else, pero yun siya.
Yeah, actually related to that, parang sa design problem, the way I tackled it, parang
Mhm.
literally just giving solutions to the problem. Parang
Wow.
making sure na lahat ng hinihingi doon na parang problem, that meron kang strategies for it. And it
Mhm.
really boils down to being intentional na parang everything leads back to your concept and the design problem na all the materials you write there, all the parang aesthetic part, yung mga design elements mo, they should add up to the concept and ayun, parang really just being intentional and thinking about the users na parang it should really cater to them in the context of the design problem and the space. So ayun.
Very interior designer thinking ng sinabi ni
Yes!
Yuki.
Yun na dapat yung i-practice nyo, guys.
Oo. And I'm glad na you brought up that point kasi oo nga, like parang the design drills, it trained you with the skills that you need. So pagdating ng design day, mako-communicate mo yung design strategy mo properly in the best way na you
Yeah.
can. So, wow, it all adds up dun.
Mm-mm.
Mm. For you ba, Yuki, ano, did you take the board exam right after graduation-ish? Can you still remember yung
Um,
gap?
yeah. Oh, di ba, graduation was on July. I took the board
Mm.
exam a year later. Because,
Ah,
ayun,
yeah.
parang meron pa akong sideline sa somewhere and then I entered
Mm,
study na like as a full-time employee. So,
mm.
I had like, parang dumiretso na talaga. Diretso ba yun? Kasi di ba parang merong board exam din nung same year. Pero yeah, hindi naman posible na
Alanganin
makapag-exam ako
ata,
kasi
oo.
kakagraduate lang. Oo. Ayun, parang diretso na. I took the conventional way na parang after you graduate, mag-exam ka na.
Hmm. And curious ako if eto rin, very popular question. Malaki ba
Mm-mm.
yung naging edge ng working experience when it comes to taking the board exam?
Yeah,
Mm.
super. Like, um, I know you can attest to this at Mika.
Yeah.
Ayun, parang kasi when you're employed, parang na the stuff that you come across sa exam, all the situational questions, ganyan, they're the same things na na-experience mo sa work from day to day.
Yeah.
So, yun na, parang it gives you more like information. Kaya parang
Mm.
when the exam comes, parang it comes to you intuitively din kung
Oh, that's
ano
good.
nga ba yung gagawin kapag ganito yung situation? Ano nga ba yung ano? Even sa construction, like mga
Oo.
stuff na naririnig ko sa site, parang sila din yung
Totoo yan.
lumalabas sa exam. Oo, ayun. Parang, kaya parang, while it is tiring na like mag-exam ka while you're employed, I highly recommend na pagsabayin siya both because
Mm.
having first-hand experience talaga gives you edge on the exam.
Hmm, totoo yan. Although may mga outlier na kahit hindi sila nag-work experience nakakapasa sila, that happens too.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah,
Mm-mm.
pero yun nga, different for all of us.
Yes.
Mm. Grabe, that's good to know. Kasi oo nga, it really adds up rin sa confidence mo when you started
Mm.
specifying sa board exam, 'di
Yes,
ba?
yes. Oo, yung sa materials. Like, kung ano yung
Mm.
mga ginagamit mong stuff, yun lang rin. Parang, actually, nung undergrad, yung mga finishes ko, pare-parehas lang. Like, mahilig ako nun sa walnut na wood, ganyan. Pero when I
Ako
started working,
rin.
parang I came across lots of materials na parang na-open yung mundo ko about it. So, when the exam came, ayun, parang nilista ko na lang lahat ng alam ko, parang ginamit ko na lang yung mga nagamit ko na from the past projects that I worked on. And it just came out easier talaga.
Sobrang smart. Siyempre dun tayo sa tried and tested materials. Like,
Yes.
don't have to 'di ba? Don't have to make it hard for yourself during the exam.
Mm-mm. That's true.
And actually, Yuki, since ikaw, 'di ba, like, almost a year before you took the exam and you work, gano'n, merong iba na they would take like a gap year and
Mm-mm.
not work at all while preparing for the board exam. And for them, it feels like they're starting from scratch or like rebuilding their skills, lalo sa drafting.
Mm-mm.
So,
Yes.
tingin mo anong mare-recommend mo sa kanila para maka-catch up sila dun without feeling like, "Oh my gosh, parang hindi ko na talaga maalala 'tong mga 'to."
Oh, okay. I think it's really okay, first parang start as early as you can, like
Hmm.
reviewing parang all your materials, yung even yung sa drafting. Because parang even if sa tingin mo parang maaalala mo pa yung mga ginagawa mo nung undergrad, better pa rin to refresh yourself as early. And then I guess uh, I think what could help would be looking on um drawings from actual projects na parang
Hmm.
if you don't have access to that kasi hindi ka nag-work, I think you can find drawings somewhere and just study kung paano nila ginagawa yung construction, how they apply the materials para kahit pa paano meron kang input on that. Because admittedly talaga nung yung ginagawa natin nung undergrad, parang medyo mababaw lang siya. Tapos, lagay
Ah,
lang tayo ng lagay ng stuff. Parang hindi
totoo.
naman talaga natin naiintindihan ng
That
sobra-sobra.
happens.
So, ayun, parang expose yourself to real life actual drawings, ganyan, for the drawing part. And another thing is, ayun, finding a mentor talaga. Kasi if you're just left to your own devices, to the habits na nakasanayan mo as a designer nung undergrad, there would be little progress talaga. So, it's
True.
better if you have a mentor whom you can ask for feedback from time to time. Para yan nga, parang um, you can use, parang mas mag-i-improve ka with that. Ayun.
Mhm. Wow, thank you, Yuki. And totoo yan, start oiling your hands. Like literally kasi
Oo.
physical talaga yung exam. You can be mental
Yeah.
studying all you want, 'di ba? Pero your body needs you to be there.
Sobra. Grabe nung first design drills namin, yung likod ko, yun talaga yung masakit. Grabe yung back pain ko nung first two design drills.
Mm,
Again. Ayun, i-practice na agad at mag-exercise bago sumabak sa review para healthy tayo dito, di ba?
oo. And
No,
then
serious,
nanibago
serious ano
ka.
yun.
Serious
Oo,
advice.
sobra. Sobra kasi ano, parang, di ba, galing ka sa pag-work,
Oh,
8 hours a
CAD.
day, parang nakaupo ka lang, CAD lang, ganyan. Hindi ka sanay na mag-draft like you did during your undergrad years. So, ayun, parang better practice na rin. If hindi mo kaya ng 8 hours right away, okay lang yan. Parang paunti-unti. Just to get the muscles worked up.
Totoo. Tsaka practice na rin kayo sa actual materials nga na dadalhin niyo. Even the table, yung height ng ng table na you're planning.
Oo. Actually, oo nga. Oo, yung dinala ko rin nung board exam mismo was a small table na kayang-kaya
Mm.
lang iakyat sa exam center. Yun din pala, parang you have to think of the logistics ng kung paano nyo iakyat yung tools nyo. Kasi di ba usually at Nika, parang lagi
Mm.
siyang nasa high-rise building, condominium, ganyan, hotel.
Yes.
And parang may mga experiences before na nakakwento sa akin na like ang haba nung line sa elevator, yung iba
Hmm,
parang
totoo.
yung trolley nila bigla na lang nag-give up midway, parang kailangan niyang bitbitin yun pataas. Mga stuff like that. Parang you have to consider na the tools that you're gonna bring, dapat magaan lang sila and kayang-kaya mong dalhin mag-isa para, di ba kasi during the exam proper, parang yung, grabe na yung overthinking mo, ganyan, parang you can't help but worry about the exam. So, one thing that could help would be making other things easier for you, na yun na nga, parang madali na lang i-set up yung stuff mo, madali lang silang bitbitin, ganyan. Kaya yung dala ko nung na table was a foldable one, na sobrang gaan lang. And it was enough naman na as an extra surface that where I can put my stuff on. Ayun. I recommend that table din. Actually, 60 centimeters lang yung height niya. And parang
Grabe.
perfect na lalagyan ng
Ang
watercolor,
tools,
ng brushes mo, ganyan. Yung iba naman, di ba, nag-trolley sila. If you think that will work for you too, then yes, okay lang.
mhm. As a trolley girl, kasi marami akong pagkain na gusto. Talaga.
Oo, tama. Nasa sila, second to third tier, yan.
May advice ka
Oo.
ba dun, Yuki? Like, syempre, you have to take care of yourself habang nag-e-exam talaga. So, pagdating sa
Mm,
snacks, meron ka bang practices
guys,
diyan?
ito yung best, ko, charot.
Go.
Ako, kasi during mock boards pa lang ng UP, tas ng actual
Ah,
board exam, inuuna ko yung pagkain talaga. Kakainin ko yan agad bago pa mag-start. Kasi
Ah,
wala na ako may energy, oo. Parang, although others might say na parang yung
distracting,
pagkain mo,
gano'n.
parang, oo,
Oo.
tas it would take time pa. If that works for them, then okay, you can also try that. Pero for me, yun talaga yung nagbibigay sa akin ng energy. As in, kumakain lang ako habang nag-exam. Kahit na ang design part, parang may hawak lang ako something. Tapos
Same
kinakain ko
pala
siya habang
tayo.
nag-draft. Oo. Tsaka, ay wait, side kwento. Kaya
Go.
kinailangan ko kumain nun kasi nilagnat ako nung, like, the whole
Nag-exam?
3 days na exam. Meron akong lagnat. Parang,
Grabe,
lalo
parang
nung,
hindi. Sa results,
oo
ano?
nga,
Grabe.
parang nung second day, I think yun yung pinakamalala. Like, dun siya
Mm.
umano talaga, dun siya nag-boom boom pak pak. Parang, nilalagnat na ako, humihingi na ako ng gamot sa proctor, kay
Uy,
Miss Rain, nakatabi ko, parang, ayun, parang apat ata yung gamot na inom ko nung araw na yun. Tapos
grabe.
yeah, nung next day, syempre, nag-pray na lang ako, sana hindi ako lagnatin. Kasi,
Mm.
physical to eh, parang,
Yeah.
kailangan kong tumayo ng 9 hours. Tapos,
Totoo.
actually, nilagnat pa rin ako. And, mga 10 a.m., sobrang, parang, ang heavy na nung feeling ko, parang lightheaded, ganyan. Parang medyo nahihilo na gusto ko na lang umupo. Pero, buti na lang, by 1 p.m., yung nagligtas sa akin was adrenaline. Kasi, otherwise, I think,
Hmm.
ready na akong humiga talaga kasi hindi na siya
Tulog.
kaya ng body ko. So, ayun, parang I really had to eat kasi yun yung source ng energy ko. Ayun, guys. Huwag kayong magpupuyat days before the exam kasi kailangan healthy talaga. Parang kailangan yung body nyo during the exam is at its best state. Huwag niyo akong
True.
gayahin. Nagpuyat kasi ako nung 1 week left kasi actually parang nag-leave lang kami sa work 12 days before the exam.
Oh
So,
my.
dun, dun lang talaga kami nakabuelo. And like, before the IDLE, nagpuyat ako kasi ang dami ko pa talagang hindi nako-cover um, na stuff sa ACADS.
Mm.
So, ayun, syempre nag-weaken yung immune system ko. Ang lamig pa dun sa review,
Oh,
dun
sa
sa, ay,
venue
hindi,
din.
ang lamig pa dun
Oo.
sa exam center. Ayun, kaya nilagnat. Ayun, huwag niyo akong gayahin, guys. Get some rest. Yes, magpahinga
Baka
na
pag
lang.
sobrang
Yeah,
mm.
especially yung afford naman na mag-rest and like on the week before the exam, go guys. Huwag nyo nang, you've reviewed enough. Kaya nyo na yan.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Galing na sa top 1 yan. Don't wait for your body to betray you or something.
Yeah.
Grabe ang important nun. I feel like not many kasi talks about how you have to be at optimal state talaga during the exam.
Oo. Ayan, parang go, gabi guys. Huwag niyong pababayaan sarili niyo. Especially talaga, yung sinasabi ko, especially dun sa nag-review center or like nagsa-solo review na hindi employed. 'Di ba? Parang you have that the whole day to yourself. Just a lot, specific amount of time for reviewing. Like consistently, parang if that's 5 hours or 7 hours. And then the rest, you give it to yourself. It's either sa rest or sa hobbies mo. Ayan. Don't put your life on pause if hindi naman kailangan.
Ito yung if hindi naman kailangan. The
Ayun,
disclaimer.
kasi akin kailangan siya eh. Oo,
Grabe.
parang, mm-mm.
Mm. Since ano, na-touch on mo na yung yung 1 week before the exam tapos nafi-feel mo na, "Oh my gosh, need ko na mag-catch up and all that." Amidst
Mm-mm.
all of that happening, lahat ng internal dialogue na yun, ano yung naka-help sa'yo to stay focused pa rin na, "Uy, mag-e-exam na next week." Gano'n.
Ah, okay. I think, as in focus on, like,
On
reviewing,
really
ganun ba?
parang ano, oo, parang focus na maximizing yung time na
Oo,
meron ka,
okay.
that 1 week left. Mhm.
Okay, I think mentally, it is thinking na there is no time left. Literally, ito na yun. If you wanna pass, if
Grabe.
you wanna top, give it your all this time. Like, at least for
Mhm.
me, parang, kasi yun, dun ko talaga binuhos lahat. Parang, nakapag-focus ako kasi I knew this was the time talaga para i-give ko na yung best ko. Like, ibigay ko na lahat ko. And, of course, hindi naman maiiwasan sometimes na mag-overthink, mag-breakdown, ganyan. Pero in my
Mhm.
case kasi parang sayang pa yun sa oras. Mag-aaral na lang ako. Oh, parang I really, parang yung sense of urgency, yung adrenaline, that's what helped me be focused talaga sa inaaral ko na parang ito na yun, ito na lang yung natitirang oras. And then, physically naman, parang, meron kasi akong city library na pinupuntahan during the whole review
Oh,
season. Parang malapit lang siya sa
wow.
amin and it's really quiet, it's cold, ganyan. Kasi, di ba, summer season yung review natin. So,
Mm.
lagi akong nandun and parang it really helped me to focus and like condition my mind na parang kapag nandun ako, I'm only there to study. And yun yung nakahelp sa
Hmm,
akin. So,
galing.
if in your case, that's a coffee shop or somewhere else na you know you're productive kapag nandun ka, just go.
Mhm.
Yeah. Sobrang
Minaximize
helpful
mo
talaga ng
talaga.
change. Yeah.
Oo,
Sobrang
yung
helpful talaga ng
environment.
change in environment when studying. Kasi sa bahay, hindi talaga kami makapag-aral nun. Kami ng roommate ko, same kami nag-take. Parang kapag nandun, alam namin na walang mangyayari. So, lagi kaming either nagka-coffee shop or
Hmm,
library.
totoo 'no? 'Pag nasa labas ka parang accountable ka na may i-achieve na na
Oo.
something rin.
Especially kapag bumili ka na ng coffee. Parang ROI.
ROI mo yung
Oo.
pag-top 'no? Tama.
Yes.
Grabe. Tapos Yuki, 'di ba, like, parang historically tuloy, parang again and again, medyo mababa talaga yung passing rate sa interior design board exam natin, 'di
Mm.
ba? Even before us.
Mm-mm. Yeah.
So, knowing that data, what kept you motivated na, alam mo yun, kahit ganun yung yung
Mm.
yeah, yung pass rate, okey
Oo
lang?
nga. Well, actually, minamath ko yun before the exam na parang,
I love
oh, ganito
it!
yung trend. Parang, ganito yung trend. Okay, I think this year it's gonna be 60% passing rate. So, that gave me confidence kasi para sa akin mataas na yun. Hindi ko naisip na magta-29 siya. Oh my God.
Oo nga.
Grabe, grabe.
Oo
Sobrang
nga,
baba.
eh.
Parang, hindi naman siya naka-apekto talaga sa self-esteem ko, like sa confidence
Hmm,
ko during the review. Kasi
oo.
since mababa yung last year, I thought tataasan nilang nung sa'tin. Pero ayun, hindi
Ah,
pala. Mas mababa.
bumaba. Oh my
Ay,
God.
ayun.
Parang
I
lowest
think,
siya in a while.
oo. Oo nga, parang in history ata, second lowest siya. Yung lowest
Oh
was
my gosh.
27%. Yeah. I
Highest
think
this year,
just
ah.
don't, yeah. Go guys. I think just don't let it bother you. Kasi hindi nyo naman madidictate talaga kung ilan yung passing rate the next year. Just do your best. Manifest your passing and dropping.
Mhm. Gusto ko yung unbothered ka kasi una pa lang naisip mo na, "Oo nga 'no, parang ang ganda mag-top." Ta's parang all other
Yes.
else, noise na lang siya
Oo,
sa'yo.
wala na. Yes!
Grabe! I love it.
Grabe, akala mo sobrang confident ngayon, pero noon, sakto lang. Parang I wanted to top, pero I was really just open to passing and even failing. Parang 5% sa
Ah,
akin. Parang open naman ako na mag-fail. Sabi ko, sige, okay. Okay lang yan. Parang
grabe!
ayun, siguro,
Mm.
yeah, siguro 60% was really believing na magta-top ako. The other 35% is pass and then 5% is fail. So,
Grabe the
okay lang
maths.
naman if, yeah. Oo nga eh, parang lahat talaga nun nire-ratio ko. Even yung di ba, yung the the grades or points that I have to get para mag-top
Really?
per subject.
Grabe,
Oo.
I love the way you think.
Yes, kasi parang, 'di ba, naka-ratio yan, 40% and then the other 60% is divided into the other five subjects.
Mm.
So, naglagay ako ng numbers depending on my strength. Like, kunwari, sa building
Wow.
construction, I knew na meron naman ako experience on that, so maybe I'd get a higher grade. So, nilagay ko medyo mataas, tas mababa sa weak subjects ko. So, ayun, parang sinabi ko sa sarili ko na I just have to get these numbers para makapag-top. So,
Grabe!
yeah.
Sobrang
Mm-mm.
clear na ang galing. This is the really key difference 'no, ng top-notcher energy. Parang
Yeah,
there's so
oo.
much detail and intention put in whatever
Yeah,
you
mm-mm.
mhm.
That's how we were trained talaga sa Sunny. Like, ganun, lahat kami ganun yung mindset na hindi mo lang gugustuhin mag-top. You have to strategize and really work on it. And parang the smallest details, kailangan mo siyang i-address. Ayun.
Hmm, ang galing. Talagang by faith kasi you did all the best you can and like God will lift it up. Sobrang totoo kasi 'di ba,
Mm-mm.
the way you
Yes.
prepared, wow, grabe, nakakilabot. Sobrang sobrang miracle yung ano, miracle story again and again yung sa inyo, the mentorship and everything. Grabe ang galing ni Miss Rain.
Yes.
Shinout out.
Thank you, Miss Rain. Thank you, Miss Rain. Thank you, Sammy.
Ang
Ayun,
galing.
parang literal na team effort siya. I wouldn't have been to the top if it weren't for them. And
Grabe rin yung
I forgot.
celebration. Yeah.
Yes, I forgot to mention. Katabi ko kasi si Jenna sa office, the other top one. So, parang ang dami ko nakukuhang insights sa kanya. And doon pa lang parang
Wow!
minanifest ko na okay, yung seatmate ko sa office is top one. I'm next. Parang ganun.
Siya yung
Ayan.
oo nga. Actually, ang galing rin ni Jenna. Even nung undergrad kami, meron talaga siyang mga techniques that makes
Yes.
her finish the eskis faster than anyone. And like, mukhang complete talaga. Complete
Yes.
talaga.
Jen is a different breed talaga. Hands down.
Gusto ko yung sinabi mo. Yeah, galing ni Jenna. Oh my gosh. We should have her here. Biglang ganun.
Oo nga, no? What if invite mo rin siya?
Jenna, pakigalaw yung vaso. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. So before tayo maano pa, ma-excite.
Sige.
So post-exam reflections. Kasi 'di ba after na,
Mm.
okay, nakalagpas na sila ng pag-take ng exam. The next is the waiting game.
Oo, I think it.
How
Okay.
did you handle that uncertainty ish ng week
Okay.
na yon?
Alright,
Mm.
I think it's gonna be, may parang iba na naman ata yung answer ko, pero the next 20 days, For me, there was
Mm.
no uncertainty. Like, I
I
knew I would
love it.
pass. So, parang the next 20 days, 20-ish days talaga after the exam, parang it was really just me relaxing and trying to get back my old life. Kasi
Mm.
I knew I would pass. Parang nawala na yun sa worries ko na hindi ako makakapasa. So parang I didn't really feel anxious after ng exam. Kasi I believe na with the training that we had, with all the mentorship, parang I knew na kakayanin. So, ayan, parang you would feel it din eh. Parang based din sa other testimonies na narinig ko. Parang when you know it when you would pass the exam. So I guess that's what
Mm.
really helped me then to not worry over it. And actually kasi before ng exam, gusto ko na lang siyang matapos kasi I wanted my old life so back. I wanted my old
Mm.
life back talaga. So ayun, parang if I would give that time pa for boards, edi ako na naman yung talo. Ako na naman yung walang oras sa sarili. Kaya, ayun, parang pliname ko na. Ako na to, guys. Makakapasa ako. Period. Ganyan.
Ang galing. Kasi feel ko naka-affect rin yun sa ano, sa even sa pag-check na ng mga 'di ba? Kasi if
Mm-mm.
ikaw confident ka na in the waiting game, how much more yung work
Yes.
pala na tinurn in mo dun. So,
Mm-mm.
grabe!
Ayun. So, guys, do your best talaga. Parang ibigay nyo na yung lahat nyo before the exam para after you wouldn't worry so much.
Oh, ang ganda
And
nun.
I
Tas yung
hope
waiting
you're,
game niyo, oo.
I hope you're you're learning from Ate Mika and like us na yung mga strategies na ma-apply sila like in your review on the design day, ganyan.
Mhm. For sure. And actually, 'wag lang kayo matuwa sa naririnig niyo, like apply them.
Oo, yes,
It's all fun until you start implementing. And yun yung gusto namin i-support. Curious ako,
yes.
Yuki,
We're just
like
here,
ano,
guys. Yeah.
ayun, curious ako na even after siyempre topping, 1 na, may tataas pa ba sa 1? Yung logo ng PRC maybe. Pero curious ako na looking back ba, is there something na you still wish you did differently sa review process mo?
Mm,
Mhm.
I think that would be starting early. Ayun na nga,
Hmm.
parang sa sobrang busy ko with work, nakapag-start ako after na ng Holy Week, eh, parang 3 months na lang ata yun or less. So I knew I had little time to cover um all materials, all the topics ng ACADS part. So syempre hindi maiiwasan na I had to sacrifice more time na
Mhm.
from when I committed talaga na okay, since medyo nag-slack off ako sa months before, ito na parang I need to pay for it. So, mas draining siya on my part, like physically and mentally. And if I started earlier, edi I would have covered more topics. And siguro hindi ako magpupuyat the week before the exam. So I think
Hmm.
that's it. And parang everything else naman, I think although may mga setbacks then with other aspects, I think
Mm.
they're meant to be that way. Parang I wouldn't
Nung
have them change
yeah.
naman. Yun lang talaga, starting early ayan, as much as I can.
Mhm. As early as naisip niyo na magbo-board exam kayo,
Yes.
mag-review na kayo.
Oo. Ayun, parang sana nag-start sila last year, no? Or like January, ganyan. Yun natin yung best
May
time.
Oo, may fantasy rin ako dun, eh, na parang, oo nga, what if 1 year nagre-review? So, nag-work ako. Yun
Ah,
yung
okay.
review.
Yun na, oo, tama.
Oo, yeah, it helps, totoo yan. Time is your friend. Time can be your friend. Wow! And if you could recommend one daily habit para yung mga takers, they can stay motivated and clear-headed, ano yun? Ano yan for you?
One daily habit.
Hmm.
I think Okay, so, I'm just talking from experience. Yung one consistent thing that I did during my review months was reading at least 20 pages every day. Yun lang. Parang mag-set ka ng benchmark on your review time na like you have to review for this amount of time for during the day. So for me it wasn't really sa hours, it was on pages. Like minimum ko was
Mm.
20 pages. Pero actually mababa pa nga yun eh. Kaso I knew din kasi na yung attention span ko that time parang hindi not the best din. So medyo binabahan ko yung standards ko for myself. But I think bottom line is really just doing something review related every day para hindi ka na
True.
put off track, ganyan.
Mm. Tsaka para ma-appease mo yung sarili mo na, nagre-review naman ako.
Yes.
Part
Parang
rin
at
yun.
least kahit may part na minsan half-hearted ka, at least you're doing your part, 'di ba? Kasi when you know you're doing your part, there's less room for doubt din talaga.
Totoo, conditioning talaga. Wow!
Yeah.
And then, para sa mga gusto mag-improve ng kanilang perspective skills, since na-mention mo rin na mahilig ka talaga mag-drawing.
Ah,
Yeah, how was it for
okay.
you? Mm.
Okay, interesting. Um, I think sa perspective, i-practice nyo lang na mag-subjective. Like,
Hmm,
kasi 'di ba, when you measure everything, sobrang time consuming niya.
yes.
So as early as now, you should practice doing subjective na parang titingnan nyo lang kung if it makes sense or not. Like it doesn't have to be measured
Perfect,
lahat
oo.
down to the smallest detail. Kaya ayun, parang I guess that really helped din kasi nung um undergrad, madalas ako nun
Mm.
mag-cram ng plates. Eh, pag nagka-cram ka, usually, yung mga perspective
Kapa.
mo, mabilisan na lang. Oo, ayan. So, that's not a bad thing. Like, it's okay to do champective. Actually, both perspectives ko ng exam was, ano lang, champective lang. And, um, aside from that, on the more technical side, ano, the line weights. Grabe yung impact niya, guys. Like, yung nearest to the viewer should be the darkest one. And then, yung habang lumalayo, numinipis yung line weights. Kaya, kunwari,
Hmm,
yung mga furniture that you want to highlight, like mga lighting fixture, they should be in the darkest line weight that you have. And
hmm.
then, um, yung outline ng walls, ganyan, dark din dapat para nafe-frame mo sila and parang kahit yun pa lang, it all comes together na. And then, lighter line weights na lang yung mga finishes, ganyan. Tapos, siguro, try to make your perspective look um, finished or like puno
Hmm,
ng
mm.
details na like, um, I know part talaga ng design yung empty spaces, pero try to limit it din para magmukha siyang tapos magmukha
Oh,
siyang
yeah, that's
polished.
true.
Like, kunwari, yung mga finishes mo sa flooring na kahit spot detail lang siya,
Mm.
lagyan mo ng finish na magmumukhang striking, pati sa walls. Kahit isang wall lang siguro yan, accent wall or ganyan. Ayun. Tapos, try to make it look dynamic na
Hmm.
don't just use lahat straight lines. Parang, kunwari, lahat ng furniture mo is directly linear. Try then to add curves to it para lang may dating siya, di ba, kapag tinignan. I guess yun. Yun yung masasuggest ko.
Wow, as an artist, with an artist eye.
Yes. Oo. Tapos, yung mga um, areas na like hindi mo na siya ma-drawing talaga. Lagyan mo na lang
Hmm.
ng kulay. Like, just render it with um the medium that you're comfortable with. Ako kasi non-watercolor. So,
Mm.
kunwari, yung mga farthest areas, parang dark na agad sila. Para sila na yung um, backdrop nung everything else sa design ko. Ayan.
Grabe, parang may signature style ka na rin na ano, elements na chinare.
Yes.
Grabe. After nito mag-i-improve na sila ng ano, perspectives nila. Pero
Mm-mm.
ano, yeah, sobrang good tip nun kasi yun lang rin yung finocus ko i-review
Ah,
last time. Ang fulfilling
mm-mm.
kasi when you know na you can illustrate your design properly. 'Di ba, Yuki?
Yeah. Mm-mm.
Mhm.
Actually, ayun din. When, kunwari, di ba, syempre, before the board exam, magpe-prepare ka naman talaga ng mga furniture that you wanna put in
Yeah.
your design later on. So, dun pa lang sa stage na yun, make sure na you can draw them. Kasi there's no point
Hmm.
naman in that furniture being so beautiful if hindi mo siya mata-translate sa drawing. So, as much as possible, it should be drawable, and kahit simple lang siya, it should be striking. So, ayun talaga, parang choosing your elements wisely. Ganyan. Tapos, additional tip pa pala, sa floor plan pala. Kunwari, ito yung space na pinapa-render,
Hmm.
pinapagawa ng perspective. Sa floor plan pa lang, try mo lang gawing as interesting siya, like, as possible,
Oh,
na like,
yeah.
i-imagine mo na it would look interesting on this side. Para yun na rin yung gagawin mong perspective. And then, strategically place the elements, the furniture, para magmukha siyang striking sa perspective mo.
Wow, sobrang important nun. Thanks for mentioning that, Yuki.
Yes.
Mm. Kasi mamaya magulat kayo pagdating sa perspective, bakit dead space 'to? Kasi
Oo,
yeah,
ayun, parang
may
nagulat ko,
gano'n.
walang laman. Oo.
Mm.
So, it's really the, ano guys, the foresight na parang, dun pa lang, alam mo na dapat kung ano yung i-drawing mo sa perspective. Kasi,
Mm.
um, I'm sure isa yung perspective sa nakakapag-dictate whether your design would be um
Hmm.
perceived as good or not. Parang
Yeah.
dun ma-judge nung checker if like you did great sa design part. So um put your energy doon and time. Kasi usually yung nangyayari parang napansin ko to na
Mm.
yung nilalast is yung perspective, like kinakram siya. And I
Mm,
wouldn't really
yes.
recommend that kasi yun yung highest, yun yung portion with the highest score. Like, I
Mm.
think 25 or 30. So, mataas talaga
Yeah,
siya.
parang 25
What,
siya nung time natin.
mm oo. What I did was, ginawa ko siya during like the middle nung design day
Hmm.
na parang after ko mag-material specs, nag-perspective na agad ako. Kahit hindi pa siya rendered, pero nandun na yung mga elements. Just
Oh, yeah.
so I could make sure na kumpleto na yung elements, parang i-render ko na lang siya. Para hindi siya napapabayaan. Kasi, ayun, normal naman talaga yung tendency na i-cram mo siya kasi siya yung last sa requirements. Hindi siya ganun dapat. You should
Hmm.
prioritize it.
Wow, grabe sobrang grabe sobrang ano ng strategies, top notch. Na-imagine ko na sila sa sa exam.
Ayan,
Naalala
sabay-sabay na
ko.
sila nagpa-perspective sa middle part.
Oo nga, hindi pa nagla-launch. Ba't nag-aano na,
Oo, yun
nagse-sketch
na.
na?
Go, guys. Tama yan. Pataasin natin yung passing rate.
Yeah, patasin natin. Puwede bang ano, twice the passing rate last time?
Yes.
Please,
Or
50?
even test.
Oo nga, eh. Baka ito na yung 60% na sinabi mo, Yuki.
Oo nga.
'No? Okay, grabe sobrang juicy nun and for our next part, quick fire round lang. So, yung answer here is either just one word or a short phrase para eto na
Okay.
yung mare-recall nila. So, ready,
Alright,
Yuki?
okay.
Hmm. First, a go-to study resource or app na you recommend?
Quizlet.
Oh, one word to describe your board exam journey.
Oh. Tiring. Sorry. Tiring.
Sure na
Yeah,
ba 'to?
let's be
Joke
real.
lang.
Let's be real. It's tiring.
From the top one. It's valid, guys. Okay. Third, a mantra that help you push through the tough days.
Mm, lend a hand.
Oh, ganda. And this is Yuki lending a hand to our future IDRs. Grabe. Oh, thank you so much, Yuki. So, for anyone na maybe may gusto pa itanong, how can they reach you? Where can they connect with you?
Um, Um, you can reach me through Instagram or Facebook. I just give it to Ate Mika. So you can
Mm.
personally message me if you have any questions. Actually, may nag-ask na sa akin and I'm yet to answer you. Babalikan kita, promise. Ayan, i-message
Oo
na lang
nga.
ako, guys, if you have any questions.
Yes, just send the questions to actually either of us kasi malay nyo,
Yes.
there are still people to be interviewed and
Yes!
and generous and ready rin sila like Yuki here. So yun, grabe. Thank you so much, Yuki, for sharing your top one energy
Yes. Thank you,
strategy.
Ate Mika, for giving
You're
me the
so
platform to do
welcome.
so. Yes,
You're
love
so
the effort talaga.
welcome. Thanks for being here. Ito na yung ano, it's gonna be a go-to resource for them. So this
Yeah.
is this is Mika and Yuki for today's Idless special. Thank you so much and we still have more tips coming for you. Good luck and thank you. That's a
Thank you.
wrap for today's episode. I hope these insights gave you clarity, courage, confidence, and peace as you prepare for your own board exam journey. I have something special coming up, an entire Italy podcast special where I sit down with recent board passers and top notchers to break down their strategies, mindset shifts, and everything they wish they knew before taking the exam. So if you are serious about passing, make sure to follow Mindset Magic with Mika so you don't miss an episode. We're here to set you up for success. Until next time, trust yourself, take up space, and keep going. You got this. You are the main character of your life. If this episode sparked something in you, share it with a friend or tag me at Mika Daria on Instagram. I'd love to see how you're stepping into your magic. And if you're loving the podcast, please leave a review. It helps more visionaries, achievers, and creatives like you find this space. And as always, let's shift into our main character energy together. Keep shining, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.